it on the map?
Already in the Minecraft.
Okay.
He's on lag on me. What's he doing?
Oh. Yeah, I'm moving.
Don't mind my words. Okay.
Where?
So we're gonna go in survival mode.
Yeah.
Why? My phone keeps falling. So I'm gonna create a new world. Which is on survival. I don't know why your thing's name is called Nats Recorder.
Ayo, what?
What does it mean? Nats Recorder. It's kind of weird. Super weird.
Where's the thingy?
Did you get the new one?
I'm gonna move the both of you.
How about the mix?
Fix the mat and the table. I'm gonna move you.
I'll get it. It wasn't I said it moved the table like this.
The mat is skeef, Shaden.
Is this table?
Move the table and fix it. Because it was right when you got there. Don't let the phone fall.
Oh my god.
Tariq.
Must get the new one, I think.
Bye.
And I don't want noise. I want to slap a Vicky. Worry about my.
Okay. Here's your thing. While I'm waiting for you. Bruh. Bruh. What is going on?
I'm sitting on a certain
Again and again. And again and again and again. Till the end. Yeah, it's not glitching anymore like it used to. I'm still waiting for you to join.
Alright, guys.
It's gonna get nighttime.
Sorry that I didn't say this. I'm a girl. Sorry that I didn't say like a girl. I was saying like a boy.
So you saying you're a boy?
No.
Oh, well. I'm getting wood.
I see you. Oh, we can make a purple bed. Just
What?
like the white bed. And purple bed. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna get some.
The flowers.
Yes, to make a bed.
I'm not getting a purple bed at all.
You need a bed.
I'm not making me a purple bed.
I'm gonna kill sheep. I'm gonna look for sheep. Is there any sheep here?
Wow, you are looking for sheep.
And I'm whoa.
Rare. What I'm gonna do is craft a crafting table when the video ends.
Right.
My phone is so freaking. Yeah. I already made a crafting table so quick.
I will get this whole entire tree. I don't know if I get this whole entire tree. Ooh, stick. I found a stick. Oh,
Oh, bro. You crafting anything?
I made a door.